Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nye. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I blow out my hair, also how I trim it, and I'm also giving you guys a length check. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Hey y'all, so I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. After I deep conditioned, I tangled my hair again, and then I put them inside like all of these twists. I don't know how many twists that is, but yeah, I put my hair in multiple twists. So now I'm just taking those twists down, and I'm gonna go in with this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner to help moisturize my hair and also help detangle my hair as well. So a little bit about this leave-in conditioner. It detangles, nourish, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, smooth and reduce frizz, enhance silkiness, and protect against thermal and environmental damage. So it is great for whenever you are blowing out your hair. So after I applied the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go on with this Protecting Plus Silk Blowout Thermal Primer Cream from OGX. And it protects up to 450 degrees and it smooths strands for soft and glossy blowouts. I really love using this blowout cream because it just helps blow out my hair, protects my hair, and it also leaves it nice and soft and also shiny. I'm just going to go through and detangle my hair. Also make sure I'm distributing all the product through my hair with the comb, and then I'm going to twist it up and then work on the next section. Alright y'all, so after I applied the leave-in and the blowout cream, it's time to blow dry my hair. As you guys can see, I did the back section off camera, and I'm using my Silverbird blow dryer from Conair, which I got off of Amazon. Pretty much everything that I'm mentioning in today's video will be linked inside of my Amazon store, which will be inside the description box, so definitely check that out. So I'm just making sure that that section is nice and detangled, and then I'm going to do the tension method, which is basically pulling that section taut and then using the blow dryer to basically just run it up and down against my roots so it could get nice and blown out. So after doing the tension method, I'm just going to go through that section with my wide tooth comb while having my blow dryer pointed downward, so that way the heat can go down my strands. And plus my hair was still damp, so I'm using my wide tooth comb so I won't have any breakage. And I got that tip from Kelsey from off of the Glam Twins, and it is very helpful. And then after I finish using my comb, I'm going to go in with my paddle brush to make sure that that section is nice, blown out, detangled, and as straight as I can get it. So now that my hair is blowed out, it's time to do the all around the world. That's what I call it. But basically, I'm just going around my whole head, using my paddle brush, making sure that my blow dryer is downward, just to ensure that my roots are dry, make sure I didn't miss any parts of my hair. So I'm gonna get the top of my head, make sure I get like the front part, and then I'm also gonna do the back of my head as well. All right, so now that all that is done, now it's time to get to the fun part, which is trimming your hair. So now I'm just going to part my hair into some sections. So just like any other hairstyle or me doing something with my hair, I'm always working from back and then making my way up to the front. So I got a small section. I'm going to make sure that section is nice and detangled, and I'm going to take my rat tail comb and ensure that it is nice and detangled. The ends are a little bit of raggedy and snagged, as you guys can see there. So I'm just going to get my hair scissors or shears that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I cut off at least 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to run my comb through again just to make sure that my comb can go through nicely. And yeah, so what I'm doing here is, if I see any single strand knots or like split ends, which in my case is just the single strand knots, I'm just dusting those ends. I'm not gonna like trim it, I'm just dusting it where I saw those single strand knots there. And then just go ahead and do the next section. Make sure that the comb is detangling that section before I trim those ends, because we got to get rid of them dead ends. We don't need it. It's not going to help with our natural hair journey. So yeah, go ahead and cut them off, period. This clip, you can definitely see a difference from me detangling my hair with my hands. So now that I have finished trimming my ends, I'm just going to ensure that these sections are even. So I'm just going through with my paddle brush, and then I'm going to group that section, and then I'm going to dust those ends. Like, I'm not going to do a dramatic trim. I'm just, just dusting the ends, just so I can make sure that that section is nice and even. And I'm going to do the same thing with this section here. All right, y'all, it's length check time. So I'm gonna pull the front for you guys. As you guys can see, it stops right there above my chest. So now I'm gonna grab a section from the side and I'm gonna step up on my stool because I was too short to show you guys. And there you go, it stops right underneath my boob. And then here is the back section. So I got this shirt from off of Amazon. I'll be sure to put it inside my Amazon storefront. But as you guys can see, it stops right there at the 15 mark. Alright, y'all, so these are my results after blowing out my hair, giving myself a nice trim because it was well needed, and giving y'all a little length check. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Period. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.